friends, hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha, and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Okay friends, now you all must be aware that the Tally Solutions has launched a new Tally Prime. Okay, so Tally Prime is succeeding Tally ERP 9, and Tally Prime, many of you must be very much interested to know exactly what Tally Prime is. So I would like to tell you that it is having the same features as it was in Tally ERP 9. So if you have done your course in Tally ERP 9, so there is nothing to worry about that you would be required to do a separate course for Tally Prime. Not at all. Okay, so friends, with my YouTube channel I would like to share more and more information about Tally Prime and what all new features has been introduced and what are the new keys and what are the new reports which we can generate from Tally Prime. Yes, of course, I will not say that it is same as Tally ERP 9. Tally Prime is totally different from Tally ERP 9, but it is having the same hierarchy what Tally ERP 9 was having. Okay, so this is my first video regarding Tally Prime, and I would like to tell you that how you have to create your company in Tally Prime. Okay, so in my previous video, I have explained you that how you have to create company in Tally ERP 9, but in today's video, we will have a look that in Tally Prime, what is the procedure to create the company. Alright, so first of all, I am on my Tally Prime software. Okay, so I have downloaded this from Google. You can also download it from Google and you can just have a look that what Tally Prime exactly is. Alright, so yes, this is my first page and I will again call it as Gateway of Tally. Okay, so here you can see that there is masters, transactions, utilities and reports. Same as Tally ERP 9 but with some different features. Alright, so first of all I would like to create a company. Alright, so what I have to do. Okay, so here you can see to my left hand side that there is a shortcut key and it is known as Alt K. Alright, I have pressed Alt K, or you can click over here and you can see that there is create over here. Okay, just press enter and you will be on your company creation page. Alright, so first you have to give the company name. Okay, I will write it as Neha Private Limited. Okay, mailing name will be same as the company name. Alright, then address, you have to mention your address. Okay, so 100 feet road, MJ corner. Okay, I will just give a short address. Fine, then state, so state is Maharashtra, of course, country is India, pin code. Okay, so I have to mention the pin code also. Alright, then the telephone number. Okay, just mind it that it is a telephone number and not mobile number. Okay, then you have to mention your mobile number. Okay, fax if you are having fax. Okay, if no, then just enter. Okay, email address. Okay, then website. Okay, alright, then financial year beginning from, so my financial year is starting from 1st April 2020. Okay, and books beginning from 1st April 2020. You can merge the created companies also in Tally Prime. Okay, that option has also been provided to us. So in my next video I will explain you that if you have already begun with your financial year books, okay, if you have started maintaining your books of accounts from 1st April 2020, then you can merge it in Tally Prime. Alright, so now I will just accept it, enter. Okay, base currency symbol is rupee. Okay, you can see that there is a change in this symbol. Okay, then formal name is INR. Alright, and accept. Yes. So basically in Tally Prime, a very less information we have to provide for creation of company. Okay, initially we were having Tally Vault password and security control and everything, but right now no such information has to be given. Okay, that all things means Tally Vault password or security control, for that separate keys has been mentioned. Okay, yes, in my coming videos I will explain you regarding that also. Now, the next information which they are asking me for my company, okay, for Neha Private Limited is show more features. Okay, if you will say yes over here, you will get more features, and if you say no over here, you will get very less features. First of all, we will see that about the less features. Okay, so maintain accounts, yes. Enable bill wise entry, yes. Maintain inventory, yes. Integrate accounts with inventory, yes. Okay, so if you don't want to integrate your accounts with inventory, or you don't want to maintain your accounts, then you can say no. But in my opinion, you have to say yes for all this. Okay, then enable goods and service tax, yes, that is the more important topic. Okay, enable tax deducted at source. Okay, so yes, for GST they are asking me certain details. Okay, this details was present in Tally ERP9 also earlier. Okay, but many of you are not aware of that particular feature. Okay, so GST details, my state is Maharashtra. Registration type, if you are a composition dealer or regular, okay, you have to select that. I'm a regular dealer. SSC of other territory, no. GST applicable from, okay, if you have started your books from 1/4, any of the previous date, then also you have to mention that you have started from 1st July 2017, because this was the date when GST became applicable. Okay, then you have to mention your GSTN number. Okay, okay, then I have mentioned my GST number. Then periodicity of GSTR 1. Okay, if you are applying for monthly GSTR 1 return, then you have to select monthly or quarterly, whatever the case may be. Okay, e-waybill applicable, no in my case. Okay, and if yes, then applicable from, invoice value, threshold limit. Okay, then applicable for intrastate, again the threshold limit which you have to mention. Then enable tax liability on advance receipts, I will say yes. Enable tax liability on reverse charge, again I will say yes. Set alter GST rate details, okay, I will say yes to this. Then taxability, if taxable, then integrated tax for me is 5%, cess is nothing. Okay, and provide LUT bond details, no. Then just accept this. Okay, I have given my GST details over here. Then enable tax deducted at source, if I say yes, then even you will get many of the details. All right, so you have to enter your TAN registration number. Okay, right now just to explain you, I will enter some TAN number. Okay, this is not my TAN number, but still I have yes, entered over here. Then tax deduction and collection account number, TAN number you have to enter. Okay, then deducted type, if you are a company or individual, if I am an individual. Okay, deducted branch division, if nothing, you don't have to enter anything. Set alter details of person responsible, if you are operating through various user IDs, then you have to enter these details. Otherwise for other businesses it can be no. Okay, ignore IT exemption limit for TDS deduction, activate TDS for stock items, no, and accept this. Okay, so all these details you have to enter at the time of creation of company only. Okay, yes. Now another thing which I want to explain you, that Tally Prime Edu means what you can see over here. So I am using Tally Prime and I am operating it in educational mode. If you have taken any of the license like silver, gold, then it will be displayed over here only. Okay, so as I am operating from educational mode, so it is seen as Tally Prime Edu. All right, so yes, this was about the creation of company and how you have to create the company in Tally Prime. All right, friends, I hope you must have understood that how you have to create the company in Tally Prime, and many more videos, many more topics I have to discuss with you regarding Tally Prime, regarding even Tally ERP9. Okay, so though Tally Prime is succeeding Tally ERP9, but the era of Tally ERP9 has not ended yet. So many business persons are not using Tally Prime, they're still using Tally ERP9. and with advanced features. So many more videos I would like to share with you regarding Tally ERP9 as well as Tally Prime. So friends, do subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my video, and do comment if you are having any suggestions. Thank you friends for watching my video. Keep supporting.